The role of a teacher in a mental health or improving a mental health of the student plays a very vital role. We have three kinds of children: gifted children, slow learners, or the fast learners and all we have. So according to them, the curriculum has to be framed in order to understand the behaviors. So as a teacher, we need to manage all that and then teach them. Nowadays, the students are very stubborn. So if we are beating them or giving them a physical punishment, they will not come to our path. A teacher has to be friendly with the students, or she can go into the student's shoes and she can think why the student is behaving so, and she has to understand why the student is aggressive or why he is not studying. If the teacher is understanding that, then the teacher can manage. I feel that instead of going through being bookish, everything should be implemented practically, or the application is very important for the students. I don't think it is having 100% implementation, but it is 50-50, where practical things need to be implemented. Being a future teacher, I make sure that instead of going theoretically, all these aspects need to be practiced by each and every teacher. So we have something called memory test. We have some tests conducted in order to know the behavior of the students and all. So that I make sure that in future I implement that. I think to improve the mental health of a student, nowadays we know that there is a culture of conducting assemblies and all. So after coming to the class also, there should be a curriculum or a skill which specifies a particular mental health aspects of the student, which need to be implemented in the curriculum, so that both the teacher and the students can go through it well. I think the practical activities are very less in the present B.Ed curriculum. So more of practical activities are implemented in the B.Ed curriculum, then I think the problem related to mental health can be solved very easily.